Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 48 of the Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at how you can customize the form as per your branding. So, if you have been seeing these Form Guru series episode, all throughout the last 6 weeks, we have taken a look at how you can create the forms. What are the different kinds of form fields that you can do? How you can create logics. So now what we have left is the design tab inside Make Forms editor. So you know that when you are in this build phase, what you normally do is that you build out your form. But now if you want to change the design of your form, what will you do? So for that you go to the design tab. Okay, and as soon as you do that, you will see that your form is loaded here. Now, here you will see three tabs: the welcome tab, the form tab, and the thank you tab. So, since we have not activated the welcome tab, we are not able to see the welcome tab over here and it is disabled. But the thank you tab will be there by default because your form needs a thank you page. Okay, so you can see that in our design tab we can see the form tab and the thank you tab, so you can alternate between these. And if you have created your form in any different language and you want to see what the translations look like, you can just click this and you can click on the language and then the same will load here. So now take a look at the right hand sidebar and let's see what this looks like. So here you can see that this is our default template, and whenever you create your first form, which is like a normal form, this is the default template that will be loaded for you. So now if you want to change this template, you will click on this button change, and you can see that there are various different designs available within make forms. So you can, let's say I select this design. This is a very simple design, so like very minimal. I like minimal designs a lot. So this is another type of a design. Now, maybe I would just take this one because this is extremely minimal, like black and white design, and I really like it. So as soon as you do that, you can see that your form has now design has changed, and this is what your form looks like now. Even if you see the button is like the rounded buttons and all those things. So what you can next do is that you can go ahead and you can change the content. So not every form that you design that you select will have this content section. It really depends on the kind of template that you pick up. For example, if I pick up this design, in this particular design, we have got all this different left hand side section wherein you have the phone number, email address, wherein if you see the design, let's say the first one, the basic design that we have, it just does not have anything. So as soon as you apply this design, in the content section you will have only the form logo. So let's head back and select this design. This is also a beautiful design, and it has got a different font typography and everything. So now what you can do is that you can change this stuff. Let's say for contact me, I just want to write contact us. So let's start a project together. This looks good. Maybe I don't want the lorem ipsum, so I'll just remove that. And like you can change the phone numbers. If you don't want, just remove this and the section will be deleted. Okay, the next important thing that you have is the colors. So here you can see there are so many different kinds of colors, and these colors really differ by the type of template that you choose. So here you can see that you have, like, there is a theme color and then there is the form background. So the form background is the one which you can see here. So you can change this and to the choice of color of your choice. And if you want to copy paste the hex code, let's say hash fa, you can just put that. So it really depends on how you want to enter the color. You can just use the color picker, or you can just bring in your hex code. And if you want, then we have got different kinds of color palettes predefined for you. So let's say I select this one. So there are tons and tons of different color palettes that you can select, and then if you feel that okay, this is like for example, the all the other colors look really good, but the header colors, which is the black color, is something that I want to change. Then you can just go in and you can change that color from the theme color too, and it will just work perfectly fine. So this way we have a new, s- like the color theme, and you can just copy paste this entire thing. I mean, not the copy paste, but you can just embed this entire thing on your form, and just imagine you don't even have to create your contact form. Okay, and now what you can do next is you can save this as your own custom theme. And as soon as you do that, what will happen is that when the next time you go in and you change the design, you can see them under my themes. So this way, you can just basically, whenever you're creating a new form, you don't have to go in and change the colors every time. You can just select the theme that you just saved, and boom, your entire design will be loaded. So all your next forms will be pretty much, like the same. So this is how, guys, you can actually play with the design. There are many different designs, and we are adding more designs as we, like advance, and we are designing new themes, and very soon you will be seeing tons of different designs. So I think that's it for today, guys. As always, I will ask you to please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know in the comments below what kind of issues do you face when you create forms, and I will try my best to, like have my future videos around that particular topic. Our aim and goal at Form Guru series is to empower you and help you create better forms and automate as much workflows as we can, because creating forms is one thing I always say, but post data collection is also important. And um, I have seen this in my journey of a web developer over the past 15 years, that forms is the only thing that collects data. But if we see all the form builders out there in the market, they are not, at their best. They don't explore the extremes that to which that you can take a particular form. And our goal at Make Forms is to build one of the most powerful and secure form builder out there in the market. So yeah, I think that's it. We are almost coming closer to the episode 50 of the Form Guru series. I started this about 6 weeks ago. I did not even imagine that I would reach this far, but I'm so excited that this one video per day is something that I'm able to achieve, and it's all possible because of the support from you guys. So please keep supporting us. As always, like, share, subscribe, comment. That's it, guys. Thank you. Pratik here from Make Forms. Bye bye.